Is it time to buy or sell MicroAlgo stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroAlgo. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April, 2025, our system has designated MicroAlgo as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.97. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 38.45%. This equates to an average daily loss of 6.41% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 102.25% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 102.25% and 871.73%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -26.31%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from -100% to 3,116.32% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $0 and $194.59. Our latest daily update from MicroAlgo includes the headline, "Significant movements in MicroAlgo Incorporated's stock price on Tuesday, moving 26.06% between high and low." The MicroAlgo Incorporated stock price fell by 14.91% on the last day, Tuesday, the 29th of April, 2025, from $7.11 to $6.05. It has now decreased for 6 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 26.06%, ranging from a low of $5.87 to a high of $7.40. The price has declined in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 49.39% during this period. Trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is typically a positive indicator as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 16 million shares, with a total of 10 million shares exchanged for approximately $62.69 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $509.60, while the lowest price was $1.11. Currently, the price is 98.81% or $503.55, below the 52-week high, and 99.96% or $14,293.95, below the all-time high on December 13th, 2022, when the price reached $14,300. MicroAlgo Inc., trading under the Nasdaq symbol MLGO, is making significant strides in the technology sector, announcing remarkable financial results for the fiscal year 2024. The company reported total revenues of approximately $75,300,000, a striking recovery from a net loss in the previous year. This turnaround is largely attributed to a strategic pivot towards central processing algorithms, which now accounts for their entire revenue. Such a transformation indicates a strong product-market fit in a booming demand landscape, likely to bolster investor confidence in the short term. Additionally, MicroAlgo is advancing its technological edge by unveiling new algorithms, including the classical boosted quantum optimization algorithm. This innovation demonstrates the company's commitment to integrating classical and quantum computing, enhancing optimization capabilities, which could further attract clients and partners. Moreover, the recent stake increase by YME Hologram Cloud to 67.65% in MicroAlgo reflects an underlying belief in the company's potential, coupled with a 10-year lockup agreement that signals stability and reduces market volatility related to share fluctuations. In the near term, these developments are likely to create upward momentum for MLGO shares. driven by optimism about profitability and strategic growth initiatives. Long-term prospects appear equally promising, as sustained innovation and a solidified market presence may position MicroAlgo as a key player in the algorithm development space, further enhancing its valuation. Analysts have assigned MicroAlgo stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock another strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroAlgo. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of MicroAlgo Inc. presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $8.67 and $11.24. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. Notably, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, March 31, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 75%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 21 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 234 days ago. Short-term Moving Average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term Moving Average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago as well. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 35 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroAlgo. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.90 and $4.56. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support point. In this case, MicroAlgo Inc. finds support just below today's level at $4.90. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.56 and $4.55. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, demonstrating volatility, and with a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.53 between its high and low, which is a change of 26.06%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 27.74%. Before we explore potential trading levels for MicroAlgo, let us quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies may go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profitability and risks of potential bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroAlgo. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroAlgo is at $6.36. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroAlgo faces its first support level at $4.90. If this support level holds firm, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. A combined average rating for MicroAlgo from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when SBI Securities Company Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares. We hold a negative assessment for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroAlgo stock a good buy? MicroAlgo Inc. stock currently exhibits several negative signals. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that MicroAlgo Inc. will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock has shifted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of April, we expect MicroAlgo to open higher by 390 cents and begin trading at $6.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.